Gun it!
Hey, that great smell coming from your coffee pot?
Uh-huh.
That's good coffee.
I'd like to introduce a totally...
Good morning, everyone. It's another great day here in the Palm Beaches, and today we've got a pretty cool thing we're doing. So today we're at the 5th anniversary of Cars and Coffee, which is a really cool free car show up in the West Palm Beach area. Basically, every kind of car imaginable comes up to this event. You got your hot rods, your street cars, your luxury cars, your Jeeps, everything custom. And it's a free family event. It's really kind of cool. It's from 8 to 12. They do it every other month, I think. And this is the 5th anniversary of this event. And it's basically just a bunch of cool exotic cars and muscle cars and everything that comes up here. And they have vendors set up for stuff to check out and car detailing, just all sorts of stuff. So it's a pretty neat event to come check out. And we're heading up here now. It's just getting started, and it should be a really good show today. So let's go check out Cars and Coffee, Palm Beach. So you can see it's a pretty cool collection of every kind of car. You've got Porsche, Lamborghini, Ferrari. There's just everything out here. Trucks, mini cars, classic cars. It's just a cool event. It's free. It runs from 8 to 12 o'clock on a Sunday. It's up in West Palm Beach. It's the Palm Beach Outlet Malls. And it's just a great event to come up to and check out. My son and I are up here having a good time. Father-in-law was just up here for a little bit. And I think they do it at least every other month, but I'll put a link in the video so you can check it out yourself.
Yeah, you know, if you ain't got no money, then you ain't got jack.
The main thing about money, bud, makes you do things you don't want to do. What's in it for moi? More money than you ever dreamed of.
One of the fun things to do here at the show is watch all the cars drive by and rev their engines. Although technically they're not supposed to do that, they all pretty much do it anyway, and it's pretty cool.
It's all about bucks, kid. Rich been doing it to the poor since the beginning of time. Create instead of living off the buying and selling of others. I know what this guy's all about. Greed. He's in and out for the buck, and he don't take prisoners.
How much is enough?
Not a question of enough, pal. It's a zero-sum game. Somebody wins, somebody loses. Money is selfless and lost or made. It's simply transferred
From one perception to another. Like magic. The illusion has become real. And the more real it becomes, the more desperate they want it. Capitalism at its finest. The richest 1% of this country owns half our country's wealth.
You got 90% of the American public out there with little or no net worth. I create nothing. I own. You make the rules, pal. Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy?
It's the free market. And you're part of it. You got that kid.
So right now they're doing what's like the parade of cars. Everyone's just kind of leaving, heading out. They'll all go up and down this avenue. Everyone's kind of basically, it ends at 12 o'clock, so everyone's just kind of heading out. But what's really cool, and what we learned the last time my son and I came here, is everybody goes and waits out on the main road that leads into this mall. And the reason you do that is it becomes a mini drag show. Everybody is revving their engines and lighting them up at the stoplight. So what we're doing is we're going to head over, get in the car, we're going to go wait up at the front entrance of this event, and we're going to watch all the cars kind of start lining up at the stoplight, and we're going to get some good video. This is really cool. You're going to see some really fast cars, and it gets really awesome. Kind of a fun display of muscle. All the cars were leaving the event. It was a good event. Great 5th year anniversary. Lots of cool cars today, and you'll see some more coming by in just a little bit. As the light changes, you'll have them coming from different directions. But it's just fun to watch everyone when they leave the event. Well, as you can see, the scenery has obviously changed. I'm no longer at the car show. It got a little hectic and chaotic there with all the cars and the crowd, and it was really just super hot, and me and my kid wanted to do nothing but get back in the AC, so we had a great time. It was really cool checking out the 5th anniversary of Cars and Coffee, and we saw lots of neat cars, some the Lambos and Ferraris. We saw all sorts of Pagani's, which are super cool. But it's a fun event, and it's a free event, and it's I think $5 for each car who wants to enter. Like I said, I'll put some information here in the video for you to take a look at it yourself. But anyway, had a great time, and it's just one of the other fun things you can do here in the Palm Beaches with your kids or yourself. Nice Sunday morning, checking out lots of cool cars. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, and as always, leave me a comment below if you have anything to say about the video or any other videos you'd like to see. But I'm here on my back patio, beautiful day, there's a breeze, I'm enjoying it. I got myself a cold beer, and I'm gonna chill out for the rest of this Sunday. So but I'll be making some more videos soon, so keep watching, hit that bell so you get notified the next time I put a new video up. And as always, when you guys are in the Palm Beaches, enjoy paradise. Cheers.